Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista. And for the first time in a while, we have comparing our Ipsy bags and see who got the better one. So these are the Ipsy original bags. Krista just renewed her subscription. She hasn't had hers in several months.
Since last year sometime.
Yeah, since last year sometime. So we used to do these videos and see who got the better bag. We're going to do it again. So the Ipsy Glam bag is now the Ipsy original, and that's what these are. And let's open them up and see what the March bag looks like. So if you're not familiar with Ipsy, they have several different subscription options. The Ipsy original, which this is, which is $15, $16. Then there's the Ipsy extra, which is what used to be the Ipsy, just the Ipsy box. And then there was, what did they used to call the Ipsy? It was the Boxy Charm and then whatever, anyway. And then the Ipsy Ultimate, which used to be the Icon box and now is the Ultimate. So these are the Ipsy originals. What does the bag look like? How cute is that? It's not very Marchy. I thought it would have like green or something, but it's got the impression of like a sunflower in it.
Yeah.
Let me
like
see if you can see the, there you go. There's the pattern.
Yeah, and it's really soft. It's like, it's like
moleskin?
Like moleskin, yeah. And then it has the cute little embedded like sun emblem on that side, and then it says Ipsy on this side.
It's very soft. Let's see what the inside looks like.
Yes.
The zipper looks like the inside's going to be a little pink on the
No.
Nope, it's totally not.
Oh, no.
In fact, it doesn't. Usually there's a color like through the inside. This is really just the inside of whatever this fabric is in a zipper. That's kind of plainer than normal.
I don't pull first. We
We might have the same. I forgot what my.
I got a card.
I got stuff, a whole bunch of stuff inside my bag. I got a card also.
You got stuff inside
I wonder if this is stuff I ordered. I might have ordered some extra stuff. Add-ons. I think I did some add-ons maybe.
We'll do the add-ons last.
So this is our card. This will be what's actually supposed to be in our bag.
Let's look and compare
Okay.
cards. Let's look to see.
No, we got different stuff.
Not different stuff.
Okay, you do yours first. We'll see.
Okay, so my first one is Glow Recipe. Nice. And this is the Toner Pad Collection Trial Set. Trial Site.
Trial set.
I'm awake. Trial set. And what it says, what about, can you read the, because it looks like
I got
it's
the
three
same one.
different
I think
ones.
this might have been my pick. If it was, we picked maybe the same thing.
I didn't get the pick,
She's resubscribed too late to do a customization.
but I love Glow Recipe. So
we
these
have
toner pads.
we got Repair and Soothe toner pads, we got exfoliating toner pads, and we got brightening toner pads.
And I love Glow Recipe, so.
So these are each probably one-use pouches. So these are just to try it out, see if you like it.
Yes.
So you pick your next thing.
So the next thing I have is this.
What is this?
And this is the
Sonage?
Drew Skin
No.
Eye Cream.
Yeah, okay.
Oh wait,
No.
no, Sonage Skincare
This is a souffle.
Botanical Souffle
Oh,
Cream.
that's not even in focus. Anyway, that's what that is.
And so Botanics Souffle Cream.
I have my contacts in and she needs her glasses on, so this might be fun. We might need glasses. I went to get glasses and we got company. This has been thin.
He needed a lap, so he came to me. He's like, "Mommy, hold me." Okay, read what it says.
So now we're back to Krista's thingy. Okay, where did it go? Oh, here. Okay, so this is for lightweight moisturizer, delivers soft hydration with matte non-greasy finish. The full-size version of this is 50 ml, which is a $58 value, and this is a 15 ml, so that's a pretty good sample size.
Yeah, and it's a facial cream, right?
Yeah, hydrate and glow. So it's meant to just put on and leave without having makeup on. And if you don't want to have makeup on, you could put, I'm sure, makeup on that. But there's that one.
Okay, now you're next.
Okay, my next one is a Maison Louis Marie sample, and this is the number. Which number is this one? I love their perfumes. This is the number 15. We've never smelled this one.
What's it say?
This is vanilla.
Ooh, I like vanilla scents.
The full size of this is 50 ml for $100, which I know they're expensive. I've had some full size of theirs. This says it's a sweet and effortlessly comforting gourmand blend of warm vanilla, soft woods, airy musk, is a cozy hug in a perfume form. Let's smell this and see. I don't want to spray too much because it's the little 3 ml size. So Can we smell it without spraying it, or do we have to? Can you smell it?
It's really light. It needs sprayed a little bit. Yeah.
Okay, we gotta smell. Ooh, my smeller is not as good as Krista's.
I can smell the
that's
worms
nice.
on it, and it smells like a little earthy, maybe.
As it dries down, it smells better.
But it doesn't smell bad. I like it. I
The
think
vanilla,
it would be a
yes.
nice, for an evening perfume.
Very nice. I like that one. Okay, what's your next one?
Okay.
She has her hands full. You want me to do yours?
Yeah, Benson doesn't want me put down.
Okay, let me see your card. Where's your card?
You put it right there. Up the top one.
The top one's yours. Okay. So Krista got then a teeny little
Moon slice.
palette. This is palette.
Palette.
Manicadar Pink Mirage, and this is sealed.
The colors on when I got the spoil alerts looked really pretty, like really nice pink purple colors. So
Yes.
if you can get it unsealed.
Oh, it is tissue wrapped and stuck
Oh, it's
down.
so
That's
cute.
adorable.
That's adorable.
So that is a
Oh, look, a
little
little highlighter color.
Yeah, this is like a full little face if you wanted to use it palette. And this is they don't have a value for this. Okay. It says it's a versatile eyeshadow palette with texture. I'm sorry. This is a versatile eyeshadow palette, features a mix of blendable shades and wearable tones that work for any look. Okay, so this says dampen a brush with setting spray to add intensity and deeper the tones.
Oh,
So
nice.
that's pretty. All right, my next one is a Beauty for Real lip liner. Define lip liner, universal cool in the full size, and this is $19. So very nice. What's your next one? This is from Dew Skin Oracle Eye Serum.
Ooh, eye serum.
The full size of this would be $44.
Oh, look, the box slides
Cuteness.
out. Oh my word.
Oh, that's tiny.
Wow. I mean, I know it's eye serum.
They give
but
new meaning
Wow.
to tiny.
wow.
That's
The
tiny.
packaging's
Is that even a
adorable, though.
lid? How does that even unscrew?
It doesn't. I bet you punch a hole in the
No
top.
way.
Looks like you just punch a hole in the top.
It has to unscrew.
It doesn't look like it unscrews.
I have no idea how that works because if you poke a hole in it, if it doesn't unscrew, we'll figure that out. But that's how tiny it is. And the lid, I mean, seriously, if that's a lid, if it unscrews. If you guys have gotten this sample, any of you who also get Ipsy, how do you open it?
I know. It's little. I mean, it'll go a while. I mean, you at least get a couple
Let's see
weeks
how much is in that.
out of it because it's so small.
This says it's 0.3, which I was going to guess. So it's about the size of a little perfume sample.
And then what does it say?
The full size is 0.68 of an ounce. So a little over half an ounce is $44.
Wow.
And this is 0.1
Cute
of an
packaging.
ounce.
Very cute packaging. I got to give them points for packaging.
It says it's a cooling eye serum, deeply hydrates, and helps soften the look of fine lines, puffiness, and dark under eye shadows without heaviness. For extra boost, keep it in the fridge. My next item is going to be a Paranova Lid Focus brush, and this is also full size, $18.50.
Oh, I got the same thing.
Oh, you did? Okay.
What
And
is it?
This is a Paranova
Oh, I got
brush.
it.
Oh, she got a different brush.
I got a different Paranova brush.
So this is an $18.50 value. This is full size. So this is now 2 full size products in my bag, almost $40
I got one.
total.
How much? What does this one say?
Hers is also $18.50, and hers is a lid sweep brush, and mine is a lid focus brush.
Wow. So you got 2 different brushes. They're
Mine is
nice.
more like for compact, for packing, and
ours
hers
is
is more
like-
for blending.
Yeah.
Cute.
I like it.
Okay.
And it came in a cute little sleeve.
Yes, it did. Okay. So my last item is lip drip from Hola Neon Lip Drip, Lip Oil, and Gloss Me. I actually think this was my pick, if I'm guessing. This was a full size. Again, now I've got
Yes,
3
we
full
picked that. I
size.
remember now because she asked about colors.
$21, and there's the shade Gloss Me. And so I got 3 full-size products that are totaling around $60. That's a pretty color. Actually, I'm not sure I can wear that color. It's kind of a milky pink. I might can. It might look gross on me. It might look prettier on Krista. I'm trying to get it actually in the camera. But it's a pretty color. I'm not going to open it until I decide if I'm going to use it.
Yeah.
But I got 3 full-size products. I did get some add-ons.
So I think Beth did much better in her box than I did in mine.
Still leave us your votes, but I'm agreeing. I think I got,
Yeah.
how many, did you get any, but you got, I think the eyeshadow counts as full size, and it was $18. I didn't see that it had the price, or if I did,
Okay.
I didn't mention it. And her brush was full size. Everything else on hers was travel sample sizes.
Yeah, okay. I mean, the products are good products.
Yeah, the products are good products. So I did some add-ons. I got the Nicole Miller Moments de Passion perfume. And
This is perfume?
Yes. And this is a lemon squeeze, pink pineapple, passion fruit, red raspberry base with a base of coconut cream and sweet musk. So I thought this sounded like it was going to smell nice. So I think both of these that I'm showing you are going to be 350 sample sizes. Ooh, that's very fruity. I like it.
Whoa.
You don't like it?
That's too much room freshener smell to me.
Well, I will let it dry down and see if it smells better, but I kind of like it. Okay, my other one I got was the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand. This is similar to like the Charlotte Tilbury and different ones that are just a squeeze out blush. And I believe both of these were $3.50. I don't think I would have spent more than $3.50.
Yeah, I think it's good $3.50 choices.
And this was actually, and these are both full size. Well, this is a purse size, so it counts as a full size. And this is a full size.
Well, not full size, but just a purse size perfume.
Yeah, purse size, but purse sizes do count as a full size. If they sell it on the shelf, it counts as a full size in my opinion versus a sample, try it and see if you like it product. But this one is definitely a full size, and this is in the shade Candlelit. Nice. So those are my $3.50 add-ons. You can always do add-ons once you get your customizations done and see what you want to add to it. So nice. I think for this $15, $16, $17 all in that these bags cost, even though Krista didn't get as many full size, are you glad you resubscribed?
Yeah, because I love Glow Recipe, and who can't use an extra eyeshadow brush? I mean, I have
20,
lots of them, but I have lots of colors, so I have to have a lot because
yes,
of how many eyeshadow colors I wear.
And if you guys are wondering, we're filming this the Saturday before St. Patrick's Day, so we're in our green.
Yes.
So, and it's the March bag. You got to go green for March.
Exactly.
So that was our Ipsy.
Yeah.
I like it. If you guys did like this video, just a like on your video. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And if you don't want to miss out on future uploads, you can hit notifications. But leave me some comments. Tell me what you guys like. What did you get for your customizations? Did you get any add-ons? I love all you guys' feedback when you give it. And we appreciate the support you guys do by hitting like and watching our videos.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.